Welcome friends. In today's video is a review of Bona line of hardwood floor products. I wanted to see if using all of their recommended products for my hardwood floors, what type of result will I achieve? And friends, I was amazed at how good my hardwood floors looked afterwards. Now let's get started. Now the first product I use is the hardwood floor cleaner. It's recommended that you clean your floors first, so I'm using my Bona spray mop, but any kind of mop like this would do. Wow friends, this is the result after using just the floor cleaner. These floors look fabulous. They have a little shine to them already, so I am super excited about using the polish. It's recommended that you squirt your polish in an S pattern. And here's the end result. They look beautiful. They have a beautiful shine on them, just like I wanted. If I had to rate their products, I'd give it a 10. I will leave links to these products, everything I use in this video, in the description box below. Until next time, friends.